Hey guys, how's it going? How can you set up a TikTok shop in Canada? So, is the TikTok shop available in Canada? This is the common question. Unfortunately, TikTok shop is not yet available in Canada, so it's best to be patient and prepared in case it does become available. By positioning themselves ahead of its deployment, companies can anticipate and prepare to take full advantage of this opportunity when it becomes available. Preparation therefore includes analyzing the competition in the US, which may offer solutions and strategies to emulate from day one in Canada. All it takes is investing time and resources in understanding TikTok shop. In fact, companies can already start preparing for the game by building an engaged community to reinforce their brand, positioning them advantageously for the launch of TikTok Shop in Canada. In short, they will give you they will just take a beat, and they're going to be ready to seize every potential opportunity in Canada. The online sales market in Canada is growing in importance every year. In 2024, 53% of Canadians store online at least once a week, compared to with 61% of Americans. So it's also 26% of Canadians who buy online at least once a week. All right, compared to 40% of Americans. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.